Hi, still managing Red Hat systems manually? What if you could automate everything like users, services, configurations, all with just a few powerful lines of codes? Welcome to the ultimate Ansible automation course for RHEL 9, designed to make Linux administration fully automated. This is not just another tutorial, it's a game changer. It's a complete hands-on training to help you automate RHEL 9 systems like a pro and prepare confidently for the RSCA certification. Hi, I'm Shikhar Verma and will be the instructor for this course. I'm a cloud and DevOps specialist. In this course, you will gain real-world skills, and it is designed for Linux admins, DevOps engineers, cloud professionals, and RSC engineers. So ready to launch your automation journey? Start now. So what you will master in this course? Set up Ansible control node and manage nodes on AWS and based on RHEL 9. Install and configure Ansible and Ansible-navigator. Master static and dynamic inventories with real examples. Write powerful Ansible playbooks with best practices. Use variables, facts, dictionaries, and register modules. Encrypt sensitive data with Ansible Vault. Implement loops, conditions, and handlers for task control. Deploy configurations using Jinja2 Templates. Modularize playbooks with import and include playbooks. Modular playbook design with roles and collections. Real hands-on labs, guided projects, and scenario-based exercises. Troubleshoot automation workflows using debug, check mode, and logs. No prior Ansible experience is needed, just basic Linux skills and desire to automate. So what are the requirements for this course module? Basic Linux command line knowledge, access to a Linux cloud environment, AWS is preferable, a stable internet and modern browser, RH294 and RH294 completed or equivalent knowledge is required. So are you ready to power up your skills? Join this course and learn together. I will see you in the course. Thank you.